storage room where we keep all of our built cabinets before they get installed is getting pretty full. However, we figured out that if you put all the cabinets on casters or on dollies, then it's a lot easier to move around and get to something if you need one of them from the back. So I picked up a whole bunch of these from Harbor Freight, and we have filled this room all the way up. You can't tell, but it's full. There's about 61 cabinets in here, so just believe me, it's full. Okay, you're good. Let's side mount it.